How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to transfer a Visa gift card directly to your bank account. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So there are actually two surefire ways to do this, and the first one is through a direct deposit, and the second one is using a payment platform as a using a mediary like a payment platform like PayPal, for example. So PayPal, or if you guys want to use something like Venmo, that could work too. So basically, these two methods to transfer the gift card to your bank account. So let's first talk about the money transfer platform, or rather the second method in where we use a payment platform like PayPal. So assuming that you guys have a PayPal account that you have all set up, so it's tied to your bank account, right? So all of the details are there. There's a link between your bank account as well as your PayPal account. So what you guys would need to do is you would need to claim the Visa gift card through PayPal. So log into your PayPal, and basically there's a whole process there that would take you to the steps that you need to do to redeem a Visa gift card. So when you do, you should have the option, and the Visa gift card credits or money is in your PayPal account. There should be an option there that where you could transfer the cash or the Visa gift card credits directly to your bank account. So we're basically cashing in the credits that we're getting from the Visa gift card, and that'd be it. Now the other one is through a direct deposit. So this would pertain to transferring the Visa gift card balance to your bank account using the account and routing number. And to do so is quite simple. Simply go to your corresponding bank and make the direct deposit or transfer there. The teller should give you everything you need to know to make the transfer happen. Now, with using money transfer platforms such as PayPal or Venmo, I should mention that there would be, in most cases, there would be an added cost for the transfer fee. So just keep that in mind. So the things that you guys would need to make the transfer happen are as follows: your bank account number. This applies to direct deposit, by the way. Your bank routing number, the gift card number, expiration code, as well as the security code. And once you have that, once you have provided this information to your teller, the issuer of the gift card will transfer the balance to your bank account. And this process may actually take a couple of days for it to work. Now, as for the transfer platform, I already explained. So there's just the added fee of the transfer. So there's that. So yeah, there you guys have it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out on learning how to transfer a Visa gift card to your bank account. If it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you want to show support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.